Many people believe that dreams are just fantasies, but they can be the blueprint for a successful future. Imagine living a life where your deepest desires, your most profound aspirations, never see the light of day. It's a silent sorrow that many carry to their graves. Your dreams are your soul's purpose, your reason for being here. They are the whispers of your heart, guiding you towards your true path. They are the essence of who you are, waiting to be unleashed. Don't let them fade away. Just like the sun sets and rises again, your dreams can be revived. They can bloom once more, no matter how wilted they may seem. Hold on to them, nurture them, and let them flourish. I know what it's like to be broke, to feel hopeless. I've been there. The weight of financial struggles, the burden of bills piling up, the loneliness of feeling like you're the only one fighting this battle. It's a dark place, but it's not the end. But I'm here to tell you that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The journey won't be easy, but every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. It's about perseverance, about pushing through the obstacles and believing in your potential. This is the story of a couple who turned their passion into a profitable business. Starting from scratch, they faced numerous obstacles but never gave up. Join us as we explore their challenges, triumphs, and lessons learned along the way. It's a story about hustle, about grit, about never giving up. It's about those late nights, those early mornings, the countless hours of hard work and dedication. It's about pushing your limits and discovering your true strength. It's a story about turning a childhood passion for wine into a multi-million-dollar empire. From the humble beginnings of a small vineyard to the bustling success of a renowned winery, it's a testament to what can be achieved with vision and determination. But most importantly, it's a story about the power of belief. Belief in yourself and belief in your dreams. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing the potential within you. It's about the applause of those who doubted you, and the satisfaction of crossing the finish line of your goals. Believe in your dreams, and they will believe in you. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. Far from it. My childhood was a testament to resilience and determination. I grew up in a small apartment with my family, 8 of us crammed into a tiny space. Money was tight. We had to make do with what we had, and that often meant stretching every dollar to its limit. I remember eating ramen noodles most nights, wondering if things would ever get better. Those noodles were a symbol of our struggle, but also of our hope. Each meal was a reminder of the challenges we faced, but also of the dreams we held on to. But even then, I had this fire in my belly, this drive to succeed. It was a burning desire to change my circumstances, to rise above the limitations that seemed to define my life. I knew I wanted more out of life. I wanted to break free from the cycle of poverty and create a future that was different from my past. I envisioned a life where I could provide for my family and give them the opportunities we never had. I wanted to build something, to create something meaningful. I spent countless hours brainstorming, sketching ideas, and working on projects that I believed could make a difference. I was determined to turn my dreams into reality, and I knew that my ticket out of that small apartment wasn't going to be handed to me. I had to earn it. I had to face the challenges head on and find a way to overcome them. I had to go out there and hustle for it. Every day was a new opportunity to push myself, to learn, and to grow. I took on odd jobs, studied hard, and networked with people who could help me along the way. It wasn't easy, but I was relentless in my pursuit of a better life. And slowly but surely, my hard work began to pay off. I started to see the fruits of my labor, and it fueled my determination even more. I realized that with enough grit and perseverance, I could achieve anything I set my mind to. Today, I can look back and see how far I've come. From those humble beginnings, I've built a life that I'm proud of. I can now share real meals with my family, meals that are a testament to the journey we've been on, and the success we've achieved together. My story is a reminder that no matter where you start, with enough determination and hard work, you can create the life you dream of. It's about turning those ramen noodles into real meals and those dreams into reality. After college, I took over my family's liquor store. It wasn't glamorous, but it was my chance to prove myself. I was determined to turn this small business into something special, but it wasn't easy. I was drowning in debt, working 12-hour days, 7 days a week. There were times when I doubted myself, when I felt like giving up, but I remembered why I started. I thought about my dreams, about the future I was building for myself and my family, and that's what kept me going. I pushed harder, worked smarter. I knew that success was on the other side of my fear. Back then, the internet was just starting to boom. I saw an opportunity to take my family's business online. I started a website where I talked about wine in a way that was fun, engaging, and accessible. I didn't have fancy cameras or editing software, I just had my passion and my phone. I poured my heart and soul into those videos. I was working all day at the store and then staying up late, filming and editing. I was exhausted, but I was also exhilarated. I was finally building something that was completely mine. People started to notice. It all began with a simple idea: sharing my love for wine with the world. I never imagined that my passion could resonate with so many people. My videos were getting views and then more views. Each day the numbers climbed higher and I realized that I was reaching an audience far beyond my local community. The analytics showed a growing interest, and it was exhilarating to see the impact of my content. People resonated with my passion and my no BS approach. They appreciated the honesty and authenticity I brought to the table. It wasn't just about the wine, it was about the stories, the experiences, and the connections that came with it. I was building a community around wine, something I never thought was possible. This community was vibrant and engaged, filled with individuals who shared my enthusiasm. We discussed flavors, regions, and the art of winemaking, creating a space where everyone felt welcome. I was turning wine into words, and those words were turning into something much bigger than I ever imagined. My reviews and insights were not just content, they were a bridge connecting people to the world of wine. Each video, each post, was a step towards something greater. This was the power of the internet. It allowed me to reach people from all corners of the globe, breaking down barriers and creating a global community. The digital age had given me a voice, and I was determined to use it. It gave me a platform to share my passion with the world. I could express my thoughts, share my knowledge, and inspire others to explore the fascinating world of wine. The internet was my stage, and I was ready to perform. It allowed me to connect with people who shared my love for wine. Virtual tastings, online discussions, and social media interactions brought us closer together. We were no longer just individuals, we were a community united by our shared passion, and it gave me the opportunity to build a business on my own terms. I could create content, sell products, and offer services that aligned with my vision. The freedom to shape my business was empowering, and it opened doors to endless possibilities. This journey was about more than just wine. It was about turning a passion into a thriving enterprise, and I was just getting started. I knew I was onto something special with our website. It wasn't just a side hustle anymore, it was my future. So I made a gamble. I decided to go all in on my online business. I remember the look on my dad's face when I told him I wanted to quit my job at the store. He thought I was crazy, but I knew in my gut that this was the right move. I had this unwavering belief in myself and in the power of the internet, and I was willing to bet everything on it. Section 7. From Wine Guy to Businessman. The success of our website opened doors I never thought possible. I started getting invited to speak at conferences, to consult for big brands. I was no longer just the wine guy. I was an entrepreneur, a businessman. People wanted to know my secrets, how I built a successful business in a crowded market. My answer was always the same: hustle, passion, and a deep understanding of the internet. I realized that the principles I used to build my wine business could be applied to any industry. I used the momentum from our website to launch my own digital agency. We helped big brands navigate the ever-changing landscape of the internet. I was on a mission to revolutionize the way businesses connected with their customers. We were young, hungry, and we were disrupting the industry. We were building an empire, brick by digital brick. Our success wasn't an accident. It was the result of relentless hard work, unwavering belief, and a deep understanding of the digital world. Section 9. The hustle never ends. Today our company is a global powerhouse. We've grown from a small team to hundreds of employees around the world, but the hustle never stops. I'm still learning, still growing, still pushing myself to be better every single day. Success is a journey, not a destination. And it's a journey that requires constant adaptation, constant learning, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. My story might seem extraordinary, but the truth is, it's not. I'm not special. I don't have any superpowers. I just have the same 24 hours in a day that you do. The difference is I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with my goals, and I'm willing to outwork anyone to achieve them. So what are you waiting for? What's your excuse? You have the same potential for greatness inside of you. You just have to be willing to put in the work. Don't let your dreams die with you. Don't let fear hold you back. The world needs your talents, your passion, your unique perspective. Get out there, hustle, and make it happen. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Now go execute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed our story.